I understand, right? Because when I'm putting some investment, I also do verification. Just like you have taken my resume, right? Why? Because you want to understand what I do and where I'm from. The similar way, till now I didn't get any clue about your company.
Hello, good evening. Precarious Mr. Lechombom Johnson Obirabra.
Hoi.
Okay, Taugliba Colse Business Development Project Amaga Mari and Jaraponico, Mr. Johnson.
Biggest scam on planet Earth is a job.
Hello, good evening. Precarious Mr. Lechombom Johnson Obirabra.
Hoi.
Okay, Taugliba Colse Business Development Project Amaga Mari and Jaraponico, Mr. Johnson. Okay, Mr. Johnson Colse Lakani Haibagi Hanana aware Obira.
Hoi.
Okay, Mr. Johnson bu introduce to Burama Mishak Kanano have a domutang Tambio.
Imara maming do ko na hoina di maming ato point khangne yo nambon ne yo.
Okay.
Hemanta.
Okay, I system the reflector opagi matung inasu kwairakpom hemanta singhai na thoi ko.
Hemanta.
Okay, Mr. Johnson, minat mga tara wari chana bayagani ko.
Yani adu.
Okay, Mr. Johnson, tawgliba call sigi clear agenda hana thamjage ko. Okay, haiba business development project achi Northern India amadi pan India da like-minded over seriousness over business partner selection tawna bagidamata haiba interview se pangthok chabani ko Mr. Johnson. Okay, haiba interview sida round ani thokna laigani ko.
This call is now being recorded.
Haiba interview sida round ani thokna laigani ko. Okay, ahanba round da telephonic round of interview haira khangna gani ko. Okay, ani shubada face to face interview haira khangna gani ko. Okay, hojik tawgliba call se ahanba round gi telephonic round of interview haiba adugi call ni ko. Okay, Mr. Johnson da koi question khara hangjagani ko. Onduda chumbalan ba focus tawjade maramdi koina pijariba opportunity si job ki nate ko business ki oiba isa ki system ama create tawba yana bagi damakta khudong chaba do pijabani Mr. Johnson khang koi khangaga su khangraga su yam honest oina khumbirakani haibagi thajaba thamjari ko. Okay, Mr. Johnson interview se hodringa mangoina na Mr. Johnson gi oiba sharp introduction haibadi Mr. Johnson je kari lamdagi amadi ima pabung na kari hona beri chinau na kya no haibado kitang thambiyo.
Ai lemram nei ne ba.
Okay.
Ahoi howana keno telecom gi thawam to e.
Okay.
Ada khoma kain to de sinau mari ne aina second mo ba.
Okay. Okay, Mr. Johnson, Mr. Khwairakom Hemanta Singhna haibirakpagi matung ina tawdorba business ki oiba idea Mr. Johnson da koi thambiramba lairagadi kitang share tawbiyo.
Man haibdo karinom haibre ai fajana man ne wan wai tabigi fajana ta deba kaino biko mai kaino dain hapet aina dain loksale ma ju wai fajana sana deba.
Okay, kesu kai de ko Mr. Johnson ai tentang na share tawjaram ge ka. Okay, haiba business ase e-commerce platform da work tawgani ka.
E-commerce.
Okay, multiple line of industry singleri haibdi 23 line of industry ge makhada 200 plus brand company ga partnership semaga 100 plus country da run tawgadaba business amakhang ni ka. Okay, market amadi company se transaction tawnaba khuding gi royalty profit haidana earning make tawgani ka. Okay, Mr. Johnson khangbayaba tambayaba di yamna leiri adubu khoida phangjeriba minute yamna tenba maramna in details khangbagi khudong chaba do hogimaki oina de lejete ka. Mathangi next round interview da henna khangbayaba gi khudong chaba do leigani ka. Okay, Mr. Johnson, adu the interview se hongna batau si ka. Ahanma question da lakjage Mr. Johnson. What do you mean by the term business? Business haiba term je kamaina mean tawba yage haiba do khangagadi kitang share tawbiyo.
Moi mean tawba je koi gi live pot to develop tawna ba ai de develop tawna gi pon ne na mean tawe.
Okay, yamna chumi ko adubu koi business ki oiba mong da e taksan jaraga kitang share tawjaram ge ka. Okay, business haiba je product amadi service laigani ka. Product and service sibu equal value da exchange tawna bagi process sibu koina business amani haina logani ka. Kodam moina harbada Mr. Johnson na 10 rupee note ama puraga dukan da pol laiba chatpa matamda dukan mapu duna 30 piba 40 piba product pirakte ka. Okay, maramdi Mr. Johnson na puriba 10 rupee note ka chana ba product ama exchange tawnai ka. Okay, haiba exchange tawnai ba process sibu koina business amani haina logani ka. Okay, anishuba question lakjage Mr. Johnson. Active income haibamga passive income haibamga tabigraba taragadi kitang share tawbiyo.
ꯄꯦꯁꯤꯞ ꯑꯦꯛꯇꯤꯚꯤꯇꯤꯁꯦ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯑꯥꯏꯗꯤꯌꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯇꯦꯗ.
Okay, ꯀꯩꯁꯨ ꯀꯥꯏꯗꯦ ꯑꯩ share ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯝꯒꯦꯀꯣ.
ꯍꯣꯏ.
Okay, active income haragadi ai isaje involve tawraga ai isaje yauraga thabak suringe paisa phangba aina thabak suba leppa matamda paisa laktabajibu active income har khangnagani ko. Okay, khudam oina harabada Mr. Johnson gi dukan ama phamme haina khallaji ko. Hariba dukan se koi Mr. Johnson na phamma matamda ngasi nongma je isa narakpadagi or ai thabak yamna chinbadagi dukan je hangba ngamdaba taragadi Mr. Johnson gi ngasi nongmagi income la oi ko. Okay, hariba income makhanjibu koi active income har khangnagani ko. Okay, passive income haragadi koi isa yaudragasu aina koiba chathogasu aina langa leiragasu automatic aigi income di generate torakasibu passive income har khangnagani ko. Okay, kudam oina harabada Mr. Johnson gi car ama natragana house ama rented oina mingonda santokpa matamda Mr. Johnson yaudragasu koi Mr. Johnson gi nongmagi or natragana ai tha amagi income lengdabida lakani ko. Hariba income makhalasibu koi passive income har khangnagani ko. Okay, Mr. Johnson, I have a quick question. Karashina, I lotion about Jage at the Hojik, the Rock Labor Call, auto call record Nika. Quiggy Senior, Madame and Senior Shashinda, Tara Matunda, Makwigi feedback, adu Mr. Hemanta Quiraponda, 24 hour Gimanunda Lakanika.
24 ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯃꯇꯝꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯊꯥꯔꯒ 24 hour ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ.
Okay, Hojiki Matam Nidaki Taraga, 24 hour Gimanunda, Mr. Quirapom Hemanta, feedback as Lakanika. Okay, if karigomba positive feedback lakwa taragadi anishuba round gi interview asidasu koi physical height na legani ko. Karigomba physical interview ase chatbiba matamda fully oiba from address chatbigani ko. Koi na pijariba venue do 15 minutes prior oina thungbigani ko. If karigomba any mistake amadagi koi senior madam ani senior sasingna nungaitaba tholagadi Mr. Johnson koi interview manung adudagi khutakta reject apthorakani ko. Madu Tokana Bagida Hana, Away, whenever Kangan Germanica. Okay, Mr. Johnson, where Hariba, I interview say, who question about Jagay, we am the simple over question Amatang Jagiko. Okay, Mr. Hemantana, where Yam the Tago business opportunity, Mr. Johnson, the Pibira, Mr. Johnson, Gitamoida, Kari, how we have the Pitan shirt of you.
I want to start something. I want to anthology. I want to grow up to life. Sige opportunity ang pangyan ang
Okay, great, Mr. Johnson. I wish you a very good luck for second phase of interview. Have a great day. Bye bye, Mr. Johnson.
Thank you.